1. Choose the correct answer. The photosynthetic thalloid gametophyte of pteridophyte is called A. Gamma, B. Prothallus, C. Protonema, D. Capsule. Answer B. Prothallus. 2. Fill in the blanks. Epidermal hairs on the stem of certain plants are called dash. Answer trichome. 3. Observe the figure given below. Identify the parts A and B. Answer A. Casparian strip, B. Xylem. The movement of water through the root is ultimately symplastic in the endodermis. Give reason. Answer. Water molecules are unable to penetrate the endodermis due to the presence of band of suberized matrix named Casparian strip. Mark is distributed as half mark each for the identification and for the reason 1 marks. 4. Analyze the table and fill in the blanks. Answer A. Chlorophyceae, B. Brown algae, C. Laminarin or mannitol, D. Floridine starch. 5. R.H. Whittaker classified organisms into 5 kingdoms based on certain criteria. Write any 4 criteria. Answer. Cell structure, thallus organization, mode of nutrition, mode of reproduction, phylogenetic relationship. Full credit for writing 4 characters. 6. 4 stages of mitotic karyokinesis are given below in an incorrect order: anaphase, prophase, telophase, metaphase. Identify the third stage in the order of occurrence and write its 2 features. Answer. Anaphase. Features. Answer. Centromere splits and chromatids separate. Chromatids move to opposite poles. Marks distribution. For identification 1 mark and for features half mark each. 7. Anatomical features of plant part are given below: collenchymatous hypodermis, open vascular bundles. Identify the plant part and write other 3 features of the identified plant part. Answer. Dicot stem. Features: presence of trichomes. Heterogeneous cortex or cortex consists of 3 subzones. Endodermis is rich in starch grains, or endodermis is also referred to as starch sheet. Sclerenchymatous pericycle above vascular bundles, or pericycle is present above the phloem in the form of semilunar patches of sclerenchyma. Conjoined open vascular bundles. Vascular bundles are arranged in a ring. Parenchymatous pith. Endarched xylem. Half mark for identification and 1.5 marks for features. Half mark each. Write any 3 characters. 8. Endoplasmic reticulum is of 2 types. Write their structural and functional differences. Answer. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is an endoplasmic reticulum with ribosomes. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is an endoplasmic reticulum without ribosomes. Rough endoplasmic reticulum helps in protein synthesis. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in synthesis of lipids, or in animal cells lipid-like steroidal hormones are synthesized. 9. Match the items of column A with B. A. Recombination nodules. Answer. Sites at which crossing over occurs. B. Chiasmata. X-shaped structure formed during diplotin. C. Metaphase plate. Plane of alignment of chromosomes. D. Kinetochore. Site of attachment of spindle fibers. 10. Certain pteridophytes produce 2 types of spores. Name this condition. Answer. Heterospory. Write the evolutionary significance of this condition. Answer: precursor to seed habit, retention of female gametophytes on the sporophytes for variable periods. Development of zygote into young embryos occur within the female gametophyte. Write in one response. Name of the condition get 1 marks and the evolutionary significance gets 1 marks. 11. Observe the diagrammatic representation of cell cycle. Identify the stages A and B. Answer: A. S phase or synthetic phase. B. G2 phase or gap 2 phase. Write the peculiarities of the stage noted as C. Answer: cells are metabolically active but not dividing. 12. Observe the figure given below. Identify the organelle. Answer: Golgi apparatus. Write its 2 functions. Answer: packaging of materials, formation of glycoproteins and glycolipids, modification of proteins from ribosomes or endoplasmic reticulum. Identification carries 1 marks and function is 1 marks. So write in it 2 functions. 13. Observe the floral formula given below. A. Identify the family. Answer: Solanaceae. B. Write any 3 peculiarities of gynoecium. Answer: superior ovary, bilocular, solemn placenta with many ovules. Bicarpillary, syncarpous. Family carries 1 mark and peculiarities carried 1.5 marks. So write any 3 peculiarities. Name a plant belonging to this family. Answer: chili or potato or tomato or brinjal or tobacco. Family carries half marks. So write any 1 plant belonging to this family. 14. Essentiality of an element is determined through certain criteria. A. Write any 2 criteria determining the essentiality of elements. Answer: the requirement of the element must be specific and not replaceable by another element. The element must be absolutely necessary for supporting normal growth and reproduction. In the absence of their element, the plant do not complete their life cycle or set the seed. The element must be directly involved in the metabolism of the plant. 2 marks for criteria, so write in 2 points. B. Name the technique of growing plant in a nutrient solution. Answer: hydroponics. 15. Observe the diagram given below. Label the parts A, B, C and D. Answer: A. Epidermis, B. Cortex, C. Xylem, D. Phloem. Write any 2 features of the vascular bundles seen in the figure. Answer: radial, usually 2 to 4 xylem and phloem, xylem exarch. 2 marks for labeling, that is half mark each. 1 mark for feature, so write in 2 features. 16. Observe the figure A, B and C. Answer: A. Perigynous, B. Epigynous, C. Hypogynous. Identify the position of ovary of each flower and name the flower accordingly. Answer: A. Half superior or half inferior ovary, perigynous. B. Inferior ovary, epigynous. C. Superior ovary, hypogynous. 17. Growth of a stem increases due to the activity of cambial ring. Explain the process of formation of cambial ring and its activity. Answer: cambium present between xylem and phloem is called Intrafascicular cambium. Formation of intrafascicular cambium from medullary rays. Cambial ring produces secondary xylem towards inside and secondary phloem towards outside. Fusion of intra and interfascicular cambium to form cambial ring. Cambial ring also produces secondary medullary rays. Cambial ring produces more secondary xylem than secondary phloem. 3 marks. So, write 6 points.